Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So guys, today I am going to show you how to make the most delicious callaloo rice. Yes guys, so here is my callaloo. I already cut my callaloo up and washed my callaloo with a little bit of salt. So here is my seasoning. I have some spring onion, 2 stalks of spring onions finely chopped. I have half onion over there chopped and 2 eggs of garlic chopped finely. And I'm using half bell pepper. I have 2 bell peppers here, red and green. And of course I have my pimento pepper right there. I have butter. Yes guys, so let's get into this delicious video. Here I am pouring some oil in my pot, and I'm pouring about 1 tablespoon of oil here, okay? Alright. So here I'm adding my garlic to my pot. pepper. Oh my God, the aroma up in this kitchen is beautiful. Look at this callaloo rice, guys. So Shelly looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it. So I'm going to cover up my pot and I'm going to allow my rice to finish cooking. Okay. Okay guys, so let's see the rice. And here is the callaloo rice. All done, guys. Look at that. Smells so good. It tastes great. Very, very delicious pot of callaloo rice. Catch you at the plating table. Here you have it, guys. A lovely plate of callaloo rice. And callaloo rice, you can have callaloo rice with baked chicken, stewed chicken, curry chicken, cook up saltfish, whatever you like to have it with, you can. It is very delicious, guys. Easy to make. So try out the recipe, guys. Remember to thumbs up the video, share the video out, leave a comment underneath this video. Tell me what you think about this delicious callaloo rice. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thanks to everyone who subscribed, all my new subscribers, thank you so much. My old subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. To everyone who support Carla's Kitchen CC, thank you guys so much. More blessings to you all. Put God first, be kind, take care of yourselves. Check out my second channel, Healthy Eats DLS. Thank you once more. Take care, guys, and I will see you again in another video. Bye, guys. Bye.